Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on dark mode in Microsoft Word. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to give you updates about this channel. So, let's go! In recent years, there's been increased scrutiny on the glaring, bright screens many people use at all hours of the day and night. Concerned about the eye strain this program causes, many programmers a dark mode that typically flips the color palette so that large, brightly lit section of the screen dark, making the screen more comfortable to read. Microsoft Word has its own dark mode that turns the toolbar and canvas surrounding the document dark, leaving just the document itself white. So you also have the option to flip the document to white text on a black background as well. So what if you want to enable this feature? You want to turn on the dark mode on your uh, Word. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Word. As you can see here, it's still on the light mode, this document. And if you want to use the dark mode you want to turn on, you can go to account. Click on account. There is an option of this theme. You can just click on that. You can choose on dark gray or black. Just choose on black. So it will turn out like this. And if you see document here, the paper is black. All the theme in here is on a black color on the dark mode. If you want to choose another dark mode like dark gray, so it turns out like this. You have white paper and gray background. It's so cool, right? So that is how to turn on dark mode in Microsoft Word. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!